How to find someone's IP on Discord. I'm going to show you how you can easily find someone's IP on Discord. First, open Discord on your device and make sure you're logged in. Now click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Scroll down and click on Advanced Settings. Next, turn on Developer Mode by flipping the toggle switch. Now, open your web browser and go to discordresolver.c99.nl or a similar IP resolver. On the website, there will be a space to enter the Discord user ID. This is where you will input the ID to get the IP address. Next, go to Discord. Find the user whose IP you want to discover. You can do this by searching their username or finding them in your chat list. Once you find the user, click on their profile. Here, you will see an option to copy user ID. Click on it. Now, return to the IP Resolver website and paste the user ID in the space provided. Finally, click on the Resolve button. After a few moments, you should be able to see the user's IP address displayed on the screen.